Tesla Roadster 2021, the most luxurious EV. Tesla is a big name in the automobile industry, known for its manufacturing modern cars and the most innovative ideas. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, made it possible to make an electric car equally desirable like conventional cars. While unveiling the Tesla Roadster in 2021, Elon Musk claimed it to be the most luxurious electric car. Let's dig into the reasons for Tesla Roadster 2021 to be the most luxurious EV ever made. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Success Tank. Before we start, I would want you to hit that red subscribe button so that you never miss out on any of our videos. Also, comment "I subscribed," and we will personally respond to each of your comments. 5. Engine, transmission, and performance. The first reveal of the Tesla Roadster was made in November 2017, when Elon made some claims regarding its engine and performance. Not that the previous cars were any way less good at performance. This new generation would be a lot better version of them. He claimed the car would go 60 miles per hour in just 1.9 seconds. This is an insane acceleration an electric car can achieve. The top speed is to be 250 miles per hour in a quarter-mile time of 8.8 seconds. This proves that the second-generation Tesla Roadster will be the second faster than its competition McLaren 570s. The car would have two engines, one at the front and the other at the rear. This promises better performance and battery timing. The performance of this car is incomparable. The second generation surpassed the first generation with two seats added in the rear, but more importantly, with a better driving range and high performance level. 4. Speed. The Tesla Roadster is the beast unveiled in 2017 and is now prepared to be available publicly in 2021. It claims to have the top speed of 250 miles per hour. The production of this car has broken the world record of covering a quarter mile in less than 9 seconds. The car can go from 0 to 60 in less than 2 seconds and 0 to 100 in 4.2 seconds. This is the crazy speed for the electric car to have. By these claims, the Tesla Roadster has become the quickest car in the world in 2021. The battery used in the car gives the top speed to this new and improved car. The CEO has proven yet again his creative thinking to be practical. The car is set to be priced at $380,000, which initially was $200,000, with an additional amount of $50,000 for its limited edition Founder Series. 3. Battery life. Elon Musk announces another update for this Roadster that it will have a long battery life compared to its predecessor. This is proved by the fact the car has two batteries fitted in it. The battery has a power of 200 kilowatts per hour. This battery life is more than enough to cover more than 600 miles without a recharge. You can now take a smooth ride with a Tesla Roadster with its new battery features. However, the battery life can differ with the use of other things, such as lights during the ride. If you are driving with lights on, the battery may run out quicker than the estimated time, but still, it is more than the previous electric cars produced by Tesla. The car claims to have a powertrain that is an all-wheel drive that further ensures a smooth ride even in bad weather conditions. 2. Interior and exterior. The main thing expected from a sports car in its physical attributes is a roofless top. This car has the specialty of becoming one. Tesla's roof can be removed manually and kept somewhere safe in your home, and enjoy the outer atmosphere while you drive. This rooftop can be stowed in the trunk. The car has 4 seats. The rear seats are smaller in size. The storage capacity of the car is spacious for luggage and stuff other than the 4 seats. There is a glass screen in the inner console that extends from the dashboard down to the console. This screen serves the purpose just like that of Amazon Alexa and Apple CarPlay. The car has a minimalist interior design which seems like a replica of its predecessor. 1. Safety concerns. The car has not undergone crash tests as of yet, but we assume that the latest technology of driver assistance by Tesla must be integrated into all-wheel drive this Roadster. The most famous of all is its autopilot mode and semi-autonomous driving system. The car has a greater safety system with standard automated emergency braking, with pedestrian detection and standard lane keeping assistance while changing it. The car also has adaptive cruise control. The high-key performances with the spacious and comfortable interior are what make a car luxurious. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos in the future. Also, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you'll love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video.